Is Earth at risk because of the Betelgeuse supernova? This question has sparked widespread discussion. Betelgeuse supernova, a highly anticipated astronomical event, is causing a buzz. A colossal red supergiant star nearing the end of its existence, located on Orion's famous shoulder. This is Betelgeuse. What makes it even more intriguing is that Betelgeuse, one of the sky's brightest stars, began to fade in 2019. Even without advanced telescopes, its dimming was evident. As Betelgeuse continued to fade over several months, concerns grew about its fate. Though the star eventually regained its brightness, scientists were stunned by the significant dimming. This suggests that Betelgeuse is approaching the end of its life cycle. So, when might this explosion occur, and could it pose a threat to Earth? We will find that out in this video, so stay tuned with us till the end. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. In our Milky Way galaxy, there's a rare group of about 200 superstars known as red giants. Betelgeuse, one of these giants, stands out for its remarkable size and brilliance. It's like the heavyweight champion of stars, dwarfing our sun by about 16 times. Betelgeuse emits a dazzling glow, shining 126,000 times brighter than our sun. Picture this. Its radiance can be spotted from a mind-boggling distance of over 500 light-years away. Despite Betelgeuse appearing somewhat cooler, its surface is actually blisteringly hot, reaching temperatures of around 3,600 Kelvin. Surprisingly, only a small fraction, about 13% of its light is visible to us. If we could perceive all wavelengths, Betelgeuse would outshine even Sirius, our brightest known star. To put its enormity into perspective, Betelgeuse spans about 764 times wider than our sun. If it were in the sun's place, it would stretch beyond Jupiter, enveloping the inner planets entirely. Stars act like colossal energy factories. Deep within their cores, hydrogen atoms fuse together to form helium, unleashing enormous amounts of heat and light in the process. This energy gradually moves toward the star's surface, eventually escaping into space as particles of light known as photons. However, stars can't sustain this hydrogen fusion indefinitely. Eventually, they deplete their hydrogen fuel and begin burning helium and carbon instead. As the star progresses through these fusion stages, it ultimately reaches a critical point where it starts producing iron. Iron is unique because it can't generate energy through fusion like previous elements. Instead, it accumulates within the star until it can no longer support its weight. Then, in a spectacular event, the star undergoes a catastrophic collapse, followed by a powerful explosion known as a supernova, releasing energy equivalent to that of billions of suns. Stars present us with a breathtaking cosmic display of colors. Younger stars emit a vibrant blue hue, while older ones like Betelgeuse radiate a rich red glow. Isn't that fascinating? Even in ancient times, people were captivated by the allure of stars. Ptolemy, a wise Greek scholar from antiquity, described Betelgeuse's color as ruddiness, essentially noting its red hue as distinctive and remarkable. Long ago, wise thinkers in China looked up at the sky and wondered about Betelgeuse, a star that seemed yellow to them. They thought it might have changed color over time. Unlike small stars, big stars like Betelgeuse burn up their fuel fast, even if they're young. But Betelgeuse is over 5 billion years old, super old for a star. It could explode into a supernova anytime, though we don't know exactly when. Every 50 years or so, Betelgeuse gets dimmer and brighter, lasting about 100 days. Scientists think changes in its outer layers might cause this. From 2019 to 2020, Betelgeuse got notably dimmer before brightening again, making people wonder what might happen next. Surprisingly, Betelgeuse got kicked out of its group in space and now zooms through space super fast, leaving a long trail behind it. Measuring Betelgeuse precisely is hard because it keeps changing size and temperature. Its light changes color and brightness, which astronomers call limb darkening. Also, stuff around it messes up measurements. Depending on the light's wavelength, Betelgeuse can look different sizes, up to 35%. In 2009, scientists found a big gas cloud near Betelgeuse, about as far as Neptune is from the Sun. There are at least 6 layers of stuff around Betelgeuse, giving clues about how stars die. Betelgeuse's atmosphere is a tough puzzle for astronomers. They still don't know how stuff escapes from big stars like Betelgeuse, even though it's important for making galaxies. But new ways of looking at stars give hope for figuring this out soon. In 2019, astronomers saw Betelgeuse doing something big, like a massive solar flare, but way bigger. It shot out 400 billion times more stuff than usual, showing how dramatic Betelgeuse can be. Betelgeuse, a star in Orion, captivated astronomers when it dramatically dimmed in late 2019, reaching its lowest brightness by February 2020. Initial observations showed no internal changes, but infrared images suggested alterations. By June 2023, scientists identified a cold surface region, indicating dust expulsion. The Hubble Space Telescope's 2022 data revealed a significant surface eruption, spreading dust and obscuring the star. This event halted Betelgeuse's 400-day pulsation cycle, intriguing astronomers. Despite disruptions, Betelgeuse's behavior doesn't suggest an imminent explosion. Observations with the Hubble and James Webb telescopes offer insights into red supergiants' aging processes and eventual supernova potential. Despite Betelgeuse's peculiar behavior, it does not necessarily signify an imminent explosion. The phenomenon of a massive star ejecting part of its surface remains an unresolved mystery. The Hubble Space Telescope's capabilities allow astronomers to explore unique surface features and cosmic events. The expelled remnants, emitting infrared light as they drift away, present a fascinating spectacle for NASA's James Webb Space Telescope. Betelgeuse, once a beacon of celestial brilliance, is poised to reclaim its throne. Shining nearly 100,000 times brighter than our Sun, it is rapidly burning through its fuel. When it inevitably collapses, it will produce an awe-inspiring display of cosmic fireworks. For weeks or even months, Betelgeuse may outshine the full moon. As we continue to monitor this enigmatic star, we edge closer to deciphering the cosmic riddle of when this stellar spectacle will unfold. While we may not bear witness to Betelgeuse's grand finale in our lifetime, the timing of its transformation remains uncertain. It could transpire tomorrow, or it could be millions of years away in the future. How do you interpret Betelgeuse's recent dimming and the anticipation of its supernova event? Does its peculiar behavior offer insights into the life cycles of massive stars? Or does it hint at undiscovered cosmic truths awaiting revelation? Let us know in the comments below. Like our video if you find this video informative and share it with your fellow space science enthusiasts. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon for more content like this.